Hi sir, I am Sandrine Agustin. Here, I'm presenting my enrollment system. Here, I put the login form. Here, you can log in admin and login user. You can put the user as admin and the password. Then, when the username and password are incorrect, it will prompt the message box. Then the user and the password are correct. Prompt welcome to the enrollment system. Here are my main enrollment form. Here you can view number, student number, last name, first name, middle name, address, gender, number of subject, total amount of subject. You can view all the data of the student like by clicking the number of when it will prompt the number rows when all the data are viewed. You can also search the student number by entering the number of students. Here, all the student record of number 2 students are viewed. Then, you can also add new files. Last name, first name, middle name, address, gender, and number of the subject. You can save it. It will prompt new record added to enrollment system. Then you can update all the records. Then you can print all the records of the student here by clicking the button. Here are my reports. All the information of all the students of Gordon College are here. All the information are here. Then you can also click the back for viewing the main form. You can also delete records by clicking delete. Here delete all the here the records are deleted. This is all my enrollment form. Sorry for I'm not complying my system.